Hi, pretty girl. There's another pretty girl. Chloe, can you say hi? Say hi. Chloe, say hi. Hey, pretty.
Hi, Claire. Hi, Claire. Hi, Claire.
Can you talk to Claire, Chloe?
Hi.
Say, I love you, Claire.
Love you, Claire.
How old are you, Chloe? You're how old? You're 2. That's right. You're a big girl.
3.
Jonas is 3. Saya is 6. How old is Jaden? Jaden is 5. You are one smart girl. Chloe? Chloe? Yeah, he's 3. He's playing in the yard, isn't he? And there's a pretty girl. 6 months old. She is doing super duper duper. She is a sweet girl. As everybody knows, she has slept through the night since 2 weeks. And yes, you have. And she eats so good. She's still nursing. And she has her organic fruits and veggies. Yesterday she had spinach and potatoes. She wasn't all that thrilled about it, but she ate almost the whole jar. Yes, she did. Those little feet just a jumping. Yes, baby. Okay. Just wanted to show her off a little bit.